First, take a look at this specific short on my channel. It garnered over 100,000 views. Then, look at this other short. The third one I uploaded received over 700,000 views. And that's not all. I've had many shorts go viral. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how I upload and go viral with my shorts. I'm going to reveal all the secret tricks I use and clear up any confusion regarding settings. So don't skip any part of this video. Otherwise, don't blame me later if you don't get views. Generally, I upload my shorts in 3 ways. Yes, you heard that right. There are 3 ways to upload shorts. The first is directly via YouTube. The second is the remix method, a personal favorite of mine since the very beginning. The third is uploading via Chrome, though I rarely use that method, and I believe you can even upload via YT Studio now, though I haven't tried it myself. However, in this video, I'll teach you the correct way to upload via YouTube and highlight some mistakes you should avoid. So, without further ado, let's get started with uploading our shorts. First, simply create a channel and enable all the settings I always recommend. To upload your short, just open the YouTube app, and you'll see a plus icon there. Simply click here. You will see options for shorts and video. Select shorts, because that is what I chose when I uploaded mine, and that video garnered over 200,000 views. While many people might suggest selecting video, I wouldn't recommend that, as I specifically chose shorts. Next, you'll see an ad option. Simply click on it. Then, select the video you want to upload from your gallery. After that, click Next, then Done, and finally Next again. For the title, instead of writing a long one, use a trending hashtag. For instance, if hashtag hello is currently trending, I'll type that in. You will also see an option to select the audience. Click on it and choose Not Made for Kids. Keep the visibility set to unlisted, and then simply click Upload Short. You can see the short has started uploading, and done, it is now uploaded. Many people make the mistake of immediately going to YT Studio to edit it, but you shouldn't do that. Wait a little while. Do not edit it until the thumbnail appears. I'll wait a moment, and now you can see the thumbnail has appeared, so we can proceed to edit. Simply open YT Studio, click on the Content tab, and then click on the 3-dot icon. After that, click on Edit, and then select Show More. The first step is the description, so click on the description option and add a viral description. There is no need to add tags or a title, as the YouTube algorithm works differently in 2026. I am going to use a viral style description. If you are creating a channel in this niche, you can copy it from here. Many people wonder what I put in the tags section. Let me tell you, I don't add anything because this is a shorts channel, and shorts don't require SEO. Next, select entertainment as the category, just as I have done. If you have used AI in the video, simply select yes. For now, I am not checking that box, so you shouldn't either. You can come back and edit this setting once your video starts going viral. Then, simply go back and change the visibility from unlisted to public. Finally, click Save. That's the process I use to upload and viralize my videos. The best time to upload is 7 p.m. only, so make sure to upload at that time. Also, if you're satisfied with this video, make sure like and subscribe for more useful tips.